You may have your website online, but have you set up a search console for it? Because I'm rebranding, or I have recently changed my channel from Kodo Kiwi to Kodoverse, I actually thought it was a good idea to show you how to add or create new properties, how to verify yourself through Google on the search console. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Brett. This is the Kodoverse. This is a place where we deep dive into all things development, design, SEO, and we have a bit of fun along the way. Before we get started, if you want to know anything else, please leave a comment down below, hit like for the video. Alright, so as you can see here, we're in the Google Search Console. Now it's really easy to get to. I've already logged in, but if you do want to do it, I'll put the link on the screen now. Now basically all you need to do is you need to log into your Search Console. If you don't already have accounts there, you will get prompted with a message to say add a property, which is fine. Now properties are basically the accounts or the websites under there. Now you can have a domain property or a individual URL property. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a domain prefix to your Search Console. So all we need to do is in this little drop down in the top left of your screen, you scroll down and you should see a button that says add property. If you click that, you'll be brought up with a prompt for either a domain or URL prefix. In this case, I'm only going to show you how to do the domain one, but they're all very similar. They just have some slight different verification methods. But overall, I would go with the new domain property type because it's going to cover more than what the URL prefix one will. Right, so all we're going to do here is enter kodoverse.com and click continue. So now this is going to try verify the property to see if we have any text record there. Because we don't, it's going to prompt us with a domain ownership verification. Now basically what this is doing is it's Google trying to verify that one, the domain is mine, or two, I have access or control over that domain. And the way that I can prove that is by updating a DNS record with a text record to include the Google site verification. So here on the screen we've got the Google site verification which has already been added. So if we click copy on that and we go to where our DNS is managed. In my case, I manage the DNS through Cloudflare, which I do have a video on how to move your DNS to Cloudflare, which I will leave in the description of this video and probably at the end of the video if you make it that far. So you can click that and see how to move your domain from your current supplier. Alright, so now we're in my Cloudflare dashboard. I have a couple sites here, most of them are my own, some are some client sites, so they are blurred so you can't see all the sites there. Now here we have kodoverse.com, which is a website we've just tried to verify through Google. So if we click on that, you're basically going to go into your DNS settings. Now on the sidebar here you have something called DNS, which is going to hold all of your domain records for this website. Now if we just click add a record here, basically we got an option to add multiple different types. Now I will be doing videos on the different types and what they do, so subscribe to the channel if you want to see. So for the purposes of this, we are just going to be adding a text record. So if you scroll down here until it says text or txt, because our name for this is we're just going to use the @ sign. Now you don't have to use the @ sign, you can use your domain name, which would be kodoverse.com, or in your case it could be whatever your website is. So you just insert website there. Your TTL we don't need to worry about, you can keep that auto or change it to a minute, everything. This is basically just saying how often it's going to update or how quickly it will update. And all we're going to do is press Ctrl V and paste our Google authentication code in there. So if we save that record, you'll see it's now popped up into our DNS records. So if we go back to our overview now, what we can do from here is we can click verify and voila. So now this property has been verified on our Google Search Console. So if we go to property, we're now in the Kodoverse Search Console. Now, I will do a video later on explaining all aspects of the Search Console and how to use it. So please subscribe for that if you want to see it in the future. Leave a comment down below if you think that this video has been helpful to you in any way. And don't forget to absolutely destroy that thumbs up button, because that really helps me and it's great for the YouTube algorithm, and I'm all about algorithms, so I really want to try to destroy this one as well. Yeah, so that does it for the video. I really hope that you learned something. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to, smash that like button. I don't know why I'm clapping, but definitely do that. I'll see you in the next video. It's been a pleasure, as always.